we are gone.
Hello, my name is Matthew. Welcome to this video on how to choose a broker. If you're new to investing or looking to switch brokers, choosing the right broker can be overwhelming. With so many options available, it's important to understand the factors to consider when choosing a broker. In this video, we'll go over the key factors to consider to help you make an informed decision when choosing a broker. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a broker is the fees they charge. Different brokers have different fee structures, and it's important to understand all the costs involved. The two most common fees are commission and account maintenance fees. Commission is charged for each trade you make. Some brokers charge a fixed commission per trade, while others charge a percentage of the trade value. Some brokers offer commission-free trades for certain investments or for a limited time. It's important to note that low commission rates don't always mean the best deal. Some brokers may charge hidden fees, such as fees for account transfers, etc. Different brokers offer different investment options, so it's important to choose a broker that offers the type of investments you want to make. Some brokers specialize in certain types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, or options. Others may offer a wider range of investment options, such as mutual funds, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. Consider your investment goals and make sure the broker you choose offers the types of investments that align with those goals. If you're interested in a particular investment type, such as cryptocurrency, make sure the broker has a good investment types. Trading platform. A good trading platform is essential for making informed investment decisions. Look for a broker with a platform that is easy to navigate, has real-time data and news, and provides a range of analysis tools. A good trading platform should also be mobile-friendly, so you can make trades on the go. Consider your trading style and the types of analysis tools you need. Some platforms offer more advanced charting and technical analysis tools, while others may be more focused on news and market data. Customer support. Excellent customer support is essential when choosing a broker. Look for a broker with multiple ways to get in touch with them, such as phone, email, and live chat. A responsive support team can assist you quickly and effectively if you have any questions or issues. Consider the quality of customer support when choosing a broker. Look for reviews and feedback from other investors about their experiences with the broker's support team. Reputation. When choosing a broker, it's important to research their reputation. Look for reviews and feedback from other investors who have used the broker's services. Check if the broker is regulated by a reputable authority and if they have a good track record of following ethical business practices. Consider the broker's reputation when making your decision. A good reputation can provide peace of mind and help ensure that you are working with a reputable and trustworthy broker. We hope you found this information helpful in your quest for the right broker. Remember to consider the fees, investment options, trading platform, customer support, and reputation when making your decision. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on investing and personal finance.